No, it's cultural. You don't have to live with them. Are you simple? If I demand my husband to live separately from his parents after marriage? No, this is exactly, remember we said yesterday, the topic of shurut al-nikah. Why do we not limit ourselves to shurut which come in the Quran and the Sunnah? Why is it for the individual? Why is it allowed for the women to stipulate conditions? Why is it alright for the man to stipulate his own conditions? Because maybe sometimes the urf, the norms of your society, your customs or your people may not suit you. And so this is your way of saying, I'm happy with this, I'm not. And the Sharia allows for that. And I quoted to you yesterday how Shaykh al-Islam Taymiyyah explained that the topic of shurut al-nikah, he said that in essence, these issues of nafaqa, mabid, the financial needs of the woman, where she's going to leave, all these things go back to the customs of her society. And so if you're not happy with these customs, this is your time. Make it a condition in your marriage. I don't want that. Yes, it's the customs of my people. I don't have an issue with that. The people who want to do that, that's fine. I don't want that. And that's perfectly fine. And even if your parents and so on don't want that for you and are fine with you living in that way, then your individual will supersedes theirs here. And that is what shurut al-nikah is really about.